Hi all, welcome back. So today we are going to be doing a quick and easy tuna pasta bake. So this will be with cheese on top, so it's quite nice and quite quick to do. So for tuna pasta bake, we're going to start with whatever tin size you have. So that's fairly-ish, and I've just put a whole pack of pasta in that. So for this, I'm going to add 2 tins of tuna when I can get the lid off. Get that added in. You don't need to worry about cooking your pasta either, just because it's going to be a case of the pasta will soak up the water. Let's get that in.
Just remember to get it in.
Let's break that up a bit. In there and that. Doesn't really matter where you chuck your tuna either, because that'll just absorb in the sauce.
Yeah.
Just be careful when you're doing this with the lids, because the lids are sharp.
Really sharp. So be careful.
Yeah, be careful, please.
Please be careful.
The amount of times I've cut myself on a tuna lid.
Remember, tuna is good for you.
Yeah, tuna's very good for you.
Pasta and tuna.
Yeah, making tuna pasta bake for me and Jake.
Yeah.
Let's get that in. So I'll just get my sauce. I only use tin sauce for this, but if you want to make it fresh, then that's fine with you. Sorry guys. So depending how big your dish is, depending on how much sauce you need. So I'm just going to start with that one. Just going to add some water in as well. So obviously the pasta will soak this up when it goes in. Come on. Trying to open the lid. Oh, God's sake. There we go. Got that one added in. And get one of about half of that. Oops. That's just all going all over the side. Fantastic. So yeah, you just get that, and I'll come back to you guys 1 second. So this part is optional, but if you would like to add cheese, then now's the best time to do it. So that's what I'm going to do, just add the cheese over the top. I like quite a good cheesy kind of pasta. Get that added on and get that nice and spread out. Probably going to get a little bit more added on there. Just get that spread out a little bit more. You can use vegan cheese on this, or if you're allergic, as I said, you can use different kinds of cheese. You can use grated mozzarella. That will tend to pull more. But it's totally up to you what you want to do in terms of the top. Or as I said, you can just leave it blank, That's that all sorted. So now that will go in the oven for 200 fan, 180 normal, and I think it's gas mark 4. But I'll check that, guys, out, and that'll be on there for about 20-25 minutes until golden brown on top. And just make sure your pasta's cooked as well. So that is your tuna and pasta bake done. So that was in the oven for about half an hour, and as you can see, it's gone all nice and golden brown. So if you like this one, guys, go like, comment, subscribe. I'll see all you lovely people in the next episode. See you later.